rats come running out of this thing. Oh!
Sorry, little
armadillo! Woo! Wasn't ready for that sucker. This out, all new service, brand new. Finally got rid of that squeaky roller. It was one over here. I cleaned the dirt out. Didn't have a grease zerk. Did it with WD, so at least it ain't squeaking anymore. We're gonna pull these T-posts now next, and these fencing posts out here. Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back. Welcome to any of our new viewers. So we have a new project property, Project 205. This is our next land improvement, land investment, land flip project. We're documenting it all on our second channel. I'll put a link in the description. So this is just one of our latest updates to see if you might be interested in following us over at Kapper Outdoors 2.0. It's a 205 acre southern Missouri investment parcel that we just bought a matter of weeks ago, and we're diving into it head first. So join us over there for all the updates. We're going to put almost daily updates, honestly, depending on how much work we get done. But we're going to put all the machines to work and all of our life experience and land and life investment experiences to work over there, and see if we can't come out, kind of smelling like a rose at the end of about a year or so. So anyways, let's get into today's update. Hope to see you over at 2.0. Thanks a lot. I mean, I'm sure I could rip them apart. All right, you done? Our goal is to actually save that whole fence and move it to the new property edge. Either that or maybe spade a bunch of cedar trees in here. Alright, Sharon wants me to knock down the building while she's here. And I'm like, well, I ain't got a dumpster to put it in. She couldn't get the tin because there's OSB inside connected and it's just not workable. So I'm like, she's like, well, knock it down while I'm here. I'm like, all right, we'll do that. See some rats come running out of this thing. Oh!
Sorry, little
armadillo. Shed. Woo! That wasn't ready for that sucker. Don't get too close.
Bill, I hope you picked out everything you wanted.
What else is gonna come running out from under that thing?
Some walnut trees growing around it that I told him to try and save.
There goes a rat. Man, that armadillo, I thought it was a rat. I'm like, I've never seen a rat that freaking big. There you go. It's down. Gig was a little tedious, but we got the T-posts that we were able to save, salvaged. The rest of these are going. Oh yeah, we got to check out the new power box. Bring our garbage from the house over here. Alright, I think I can get these poles in here yet. Alright, now we're going to make homemade stairs out of these blocks. It's about a 18-inch step up into the barn. So these should work perfect for a couple of stairs.
Alright, temporary stairs. We found some pavers over where the old mobile home used to be. Or some blocks, so we put them there. Not perfect, but definitely better. Definitely.
Check this out, all new service. Brand new. Nice work, fellas. Beautiful. Progress. Progress. Look at the meters already rolling. 32 0032, whatever that means. Nice. All right, well, this is where we're calling it for the rest of the weekend. I know it looks like a disaster, which it is, but it's a lot better than before. Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna take this disc and put it back by us so this section of their yard's nice and clean. That one, I got as much as I could out of that. Knocked that over today. Pulled the couch out. Dumpster's coming Monday. Today's Saturday. This baby's full. So made some good progress.